You got the power.
What's up guys, I just got back in from school and as you can probably hear, yes, the microwave is on because I just put in some tin of spaghetti hoops I'm just going to eat because I'm going to have my tea after acro because I have acro at 6:15 because I have a gap in between acro and jazz, and I just kind of in a bit of a rush because I have a lot of editing to do and I just really want to get it done, and so it's out the way, so I'm gonna probably just sit on the sofa. Yes, I know I'm holding a spoon, it's just from getting the hoops out the tin, but I'm going to sit on the sofa over there and just get some editing done after I've eaten my hoops. As you can hear, they are ready, so yeah, I'm just gonna get some editing done, so hopefully that'll all be done, and then yeah, so I will probably catch up with you guys tomorrow because I'm quite busy at the moment, and I know loads of my weekly vlogs have been starting on like Wednesdays or Thursdays, but that's just mainly because I am super busy on Mondays because I have after school rehearsal, then I have troop after school, and then on a Tuesday I have a flute lesson, but I do really have time to vlog after that, but I usually either do homework or edit quite a lot, so I don't really vlog just because it's kind of a boring day anyway. But yeah, so I will probably just catch up with you guys later. What's up guys, so as you can see I'm currently in the garage, and you will know what I'm doing right now if you saw, I think it was last week's vlog, or it might have been the week before, I am not sure. I'm currently practicing tap if you didn't know what I was doing. So basically just to let all of you guys know, for the people that don't know, I have an exam that I really want to do because normally I do like my dance exams like every March, but I didn't do my tap exam in March along with other people in my class just because of how hard it was, so I really want to do it possibly in November or January, so that's what I'm just going to do. I'm just going to practice doing it now, and obviously I have to do it in the garage because I would like scratch the floor in the house if I did it in the house, so yeah, I'm just going to do some tap. What's up guys, so I'm just currently outside right now about to film an Instagram video, but as you can see, I don't know if you can see, there's my mum in there as well, but oh, I can't really zoom in, but the cat is just sat there watching me. Oh, he's walked off now. Oh, he's so cute. He's probably gonna go bother my mum now because I didn't want to let him outside because basically he'd just like sit on the mat and it was really annoying, so I had to just put him inside because if I let him outside he wouldn't get away from me, and I obviously don't want to hurt him because as you can see behind me, my mat is there and my blue one is just there, so yeah, I had to put him outside. He'll probably get distracted now. Oh no, he's come back. Look, he's come back. Oh, he's so cute. Okay, well, I'm just gonna film for a bit and then probably just go back inside, so yeah. What's up guys, so as you can see it's currently now Sunday and I was just doing some French homework, but then I was also editing at the same time because I was getting kind of annoyed because AirDrop, like I needed to AirDrop videos and pictures from my phone because I'm currently editing my Mallorca holiday video and I want to edit it on my iPad, and AirDrop was just not working. Like I'd be able to transfer it, but then every time it would try to save on my iPad, it would just say failed to save item, save on iCloud instead, even when it was like 10 like photos and videos. Like it didn't matter how many I tried to AirDrop it, it's just that it was being a bit weird. So I'm currently just updating my iPad now, so hopefully that makes a difference. I think that might be the reason because I think it needs updating, so hopefully that'll work. And I'm going to watch Endgame because I got it on DVD for my birthday and I just love it so much. I love Marvel, if you didn't already know, it's just the best thing ever. So I think I'm going to go watch that, but after that it'll be around 7 So then I'm going to hoover my room and then do my homework and everything then, because I really do want to watch Endgame, and I'm going to watch it now so that I know I have time afterwards to do all the things I need to do. And then I'm definitely going to practice some tap in the garage and practice my flute as well, because I have a flute exam coming up and it's quite important that I practice, and because I don't really tend to practice that much, which isn't very good, but I'm going to make sure I practice now that I have an exam coming up. And I also need to practice tap just because if I want to do the exam I really need to practice, as you guys already know. So yeah, I'm just going to practice all of that after I've watched Endgame. What's the date, Mummy? What's the date? Third. This chicken smells a bit funny. I mean, fourth. Smell that? I don't smell very hot. Aria. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god! The cat literally almost knocked the tripod over.